जो आपको बॉक्स में दिया है उस बॉक्स के अंदर जो एडजेक्टिव्स है उनके आपको सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं। उस बॉक्स के जितने एडजेक्टिव्स दिए हुए हैं उनके आपको सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं। Where is your word point? Whichever.
Whichever का मतलब?
Whichever. Like out of these three, whichever chair you like, whichever color you like.
Sir, as though का मतलब?
As though. जो मैं से बताऊंगा आप यूज नहीं कर सकती हैं। He talks as though he knows everything of mathematics. Got it? He talks as though he owns a business. Star mobile कब से? गरीब दबाव है। All right. Done? Good. All how many adjectives are there? 3, 4. 2 are the key. तो काफी जिस तरह एक और भी था डॉक्यूमेंट, ये देखिए ना जो आपने मुझे भेजे थे ना विकास
सर एक PDF तो और एक दूसरा वो कोर एंड मैट्रिक्स
नहीं ये सिलेबस वाला है ये
जी
ये वाला ये 3 पेजेस सिलेबस ये वाला ये 3 पेजेस
ये
और
मैं डाउट कर
जी जी ठीक है थैंक यू डन ऑलराइट so yeah those who have done they can move on to the next box और next box का सिर्फ एक एडजेक्टिव बनाएं next box का सिर्फ एक एडजेक्टिव पिक एंड चूज नहीं करना जो उसमें से इजी लग रहा है उसको बनाना है
Adjective बनाया कि
अच्छा
sentence
सेंटेंस
बनाया?
सेंटेंस बनाना सॉरी कंजंक्शन का सेंटेंस बनाना ओके हो गया तीनों हो गए जी लेट्स सी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम यू कल से आपने सीट चेंज करनी नहीं आ रही मैं जी बच्चे
It took us longer than we thought it would then.
yes it took us longer than we thought it would then THAN किस सेंस में यूज करते हैं
उसके बाद ये हुआ.
yes afterwards go to a hospital then go and pick your sister from the university all right next now just tell one sentence
After school, I went home.
after school I went home yes exactly thank you after school I went to home बहुत मुश्किल सेंटेंस बनाया आपने नेक्स्ट
Confession में दो का है. Though it was raining, we went to market.
though
It was raining, we went to
exactly
market.
though it was raining
We went.
we went to the market
Whom should I call for help?
whom should I call
For help.
for help whom should I call सेंटेंस हो गया for help तो वो for आगे preposition आ गया, 2 sentences तो आपने बनाए नहीं. Whom should I call if I am in trouble? If I need help. मतलब clause has to have a verb in it. जो आपने for help कर दिया ना, तो वो मतलब it's just one sentence और वो preposition हो गया. एक और अगला बताए. Next. Whoever है. Okay. Whoever took my pencil. Whoever has taken my pencil.
Whoever works hard succeeds.
Exactly. Whoever works hard succeeds. अब succeeds is a verb. So succeeds is a complete clause itself. Got it? You will check.
So relative adjective उसमें है whatever का. Whatever the reasons would be, you must have to come on time.
Exactly. थोड़ा बोले तो ऊंची आवाज में सुने.
Whatever the reasons would be, you must have to come on time.
You must have to come on time. Whatever the reasons would be.
Mirror के box में as if. She enters the room as if she owns.
Oh God. She enters the room as if she's not ready. ये भी हो सकता है. She's इतने confidence के साथ जो बंदा enter हो जाए कि
As
okay.
if she owns.
She owns it. Good. Next.
Comparison में then he is better than Amna in cooking.
He's better than Amna in cooking. His cooking is better than Amna's cooking. Verb आ जाएगा ना वहाँ पे. Got it? जी.
Whenever. You can scold me whenever you want.
How sweet of you. Yes. आप जो है ना अपनी मतलब ये imagine करिए सेंटेंस अपनी सास को कह रही हैं आप. You are going to have a very happy matrimonial life. Trust me. Right? Okay. Good.
Comparison with then he is more clever than his sister. He is more clever than his sister.
He
He is more clever than his sister.
he smokes.
More clever than
More.
He is more clever than his sister. फिर then के बाद कोई है verb. then के बाद आपके sentence में कोई verb आ रहा है. He is more clever than his sister is. Right? Verb must होना चाहिए उसके अंदर. दोनों clauses में. जी बच्चे.
So we will place subordinating conjunction में and wherever. Wherever there is hard work, success follows.
Come again. Whenever.
Wherever.
Wherever.
there is hard work, success follows.
Good. Wherever there is hard work, success follows. Good sentence. जी बच्चे.
In condition, the word is provided that you can go to the concert provided that you are back at 10.
Good. Provided that you are back by 10. Yeah. By at 10 के मतलब 10 बजे ही पहुंचोगे. By 10 10 तक पहुंचोगे. By 10. Very good. Next.
Reasons because she's good at maths because it's her favorite subject.
Good. She is good at maths because it's her favorite subject. Next.
Where I do not go where I do not feel comfortable.
I do not feel comfortable. Good.
Condition only if you follow the right path you will get success.
Yes. Confidence से बोलना है. Yes. Speak with confidence. Only if you follow the right path,
You will get succeed.
you will be successful. Now you will get success.
I'm not interested in whatever people are saying.
Very good. One should not be. I am not. I do not bother whatever people are saying.
We have seen a lot of changes which are good for our class.
All right.
Next, look at that bird.
Okay.
I have many pencils, whichever you want to use.
Good. Nice.
How
Yes.
can you? Again, how can you do this?
How?
How can you do this?
How can
you
you-
can do this?
How you can do this? How can you? How you can do this? How can you do this? What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say?
Don't stop on.
क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ मैं?
जब तक आप
आप बोल रहे हैं तो भी चलेगा.
It is giving you two meanings, right? रुको मत जाओ, हाँ रुको मत जाओ, और रुको मत अब yeah, it means the same. Okay? एक साइड पे जरा एक सेंटेंस लिखें जल्दी से। या आपकी जो बात बताई ना पंक्चुएशन वाली, उसकी उससे मेरे ज़हन में एक चीज आ गई है। She died. She died. No, not my wife. She's still alive. Yeah. She died in the same house. She died in the same house in which she was born at the age of 90. मेरे लिए पहले पढ़ा था, मेरे लिए है नहीं कहा। She died in the same house in which she was born at the age of 90. 90. ठीक है? नीचे से एक लाइन छोड़ के एक और सेंटेंस लिखें। I saw some dogs. I saw some dogs near the pieces of meat. I saw some dogs near the pieces of meat. Near the pieces of meat, which were barking. Which were barking. What's wrong with these two sentences?
She died in the same house at the age of 90.
I can just hear murmuring and whispering and
90 के एज में जिस घर में मरी थी, नहीं जिस घर में वो पैदा हुई थी उसी घर में वो 90 के एज में जाकर मरी।
सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर में प्रॉब्लम है। और absence of punctuation, the first point as she mentioned, absence of punctuation तो है ही है, और इसके अलावा the arrangement of different words in the sentence, they are not proper. पहले वाला सेंटेंस को ठीक करेगा। What happened at the age of 90? She died. तो अब फिर at the age of 90 को अगर हम शुरू में ले आए, she died in the house.
In the same house with the age of 90 in which she was born.
ठीक है, in which she was born, ये भी थोड़ा सा बेहतर है, ज़्यादा क्लियर नहीं है। लेकिन जब हम at the age of 90 ले आएंगे ना स्टार्ट में, at the age of 90 she died in the same house in which she was born. Good morning. मेरी क्लास के अंदर you cannot yawn. और अगर आपने निकाब पहना हुआ है या आपने मास्क पहना हुआ है और आप yawn करते हैं तो your eyes and your nose become so funny, right? और पता चल जाता है. If you yawn, you are dead financially. You will be fined and you have to bring something to eat for the whole class. Same rule applies on the teacher, and it is on the mobile also. If your mobile produces any sound, incoming call, incoming SMS, low battery alert, turning on sound, turning off sound, you are dead financially again, right? Same rule applies on the teacher as well. Okay? मेरा mobile कुछ आवाज निकालेगा तो I'll bring something to eat for you guys. Okay? Yeah. All right. Second sentence देखिए जी. Who was barking? Common sense. Pieces of meat cannot bark. तो क्या होना चाहिए इसका सेंटेंस? Looks like I'm with what? Yes. जी बच्चे. स्टार नंबर है. Okay. चले. जी.
I saw some barking dogs near the pieces of meat. I saw some dogs barking.
Exactly. Barking dogs. आपने मतलब कभी mewing dogs देखे हैं? Cawing dogs or some dogs on this bark. I saw some dogs barking. Which were barking? I saw some dogs barking near the pieces of meat. The meaning is clear now. Yeah. आज की जो है वो yawn excused है, right? हाँ, तो मतलब yes, आज की yawn is excused. हाँ, yawn का. And you know yawn is contagious. If you see somebody yawning, you would yawn as well. Have you ever like felt this?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So जिस टाइम किसकी बारी चल रही थी, तो अब यहाँ पे मतलब पंक्चुएशन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, राइट? रुको मत जाओ, एंड रुको मत जाओ. So you need a comma, you need a small pause so that the words
सर
can
एक
be.
स्लोगन आया था मार नहीं प्यार, और हमारे भाई के टीचर तो कहते थे मार नहीं प्यार.
नहीं प्यार. हाँ,
तो
yes, yes, okay. Whose turn? Next किसकी बारी चल रही थी यहाँ से?
She explained how she solved the problem.
How?
How?
Okay, good. Thus this one is enough. Next.
Okay, comparison. Whether is the word. Okay, I will succeed the exam. Whereas it is easy for me.
Whereas का word आपका?
Whether.
Whether. Okay. Whether it's difficult or easy.
Or
Right. Next.
As soon as possible, this work will be completed as soon as possible.
Next.
She is absent because she is
He's absent
because she is ill.
because she's ill. Because है आपका word?
Yes.
How lucky. The मुश्किल word. Yes.
Whenever I get sick, whenever I eat fish.
I get sick whenever I eat fish. ये आपकी मतलब sickness और illness के बहुत ज़्यादा वो मतलब पूरा positive side पे